Hi! Naghahanap pa kayo ng aesthetic na ceiling fan? Pwedeng dark brown, pwedeng eto, team kahoy. Yan. So, meron siyang 3 modes of light. Light, which is white. And then we have yellowish and then super yellow, which is nakakantok. But anyways, meron siyang 40 watts sa ilaw, 40 watts sa fan. Pwedeng fan lang nakabukas, pwedeng ilaw lang. As per the fan naman, may forward mode siya, which is for summer seasons as per my research. And then, meron namang reverse for the winter seasons. For some reason, on my small space, which is 43 square foot, nakakalamig yung reverse. I mean, kinu-cool down niya yung area. Ang init sa labas, pero pagpasok mo sa loob, na parang na-neutralize niya yung paligid. So far, I find it effective. Anyways, meron siyang speed ng 1 to 6. May remote control, may timer, and super handy nito. So, what are you waiting for? Bye na!